So solutions of linear equations we are doing now. Okay. Let us know a brief note on linear equations. The equations a1x plus b1y is equal to c1, a2x plus b2y is equal to c2 are called linear equations in x and y, where c1 and c2 are constants. Okay. The above equations can be expressed in matrix form as a1 a2 a1 b1 a2 b2. This is one matrix. X y, this is another matrix, and c1 c2, this is another matrix. Let us give the names for these three matrices. For example, the coefficients of xy. What are they? A1 b1, a2 b2. Let they express it in a matrix and call them as capital A, and capital B is equal to the variables x and y, another matrix, and the constants should be considered in another separate matrix. Let the matrix be capital C. So now what we have done here, any two linear equations can be expressed in matrices form. This is the representation of equations in matrices form. Another example I can give you. Express 2x minus 4y is equal to 5 minus 3x plus 6y is equal to 9 minus 9 are two linear equations in x and y, then their matrix form is capital A is equal to matrix representation form. That is called matrix representation form is capital A. The coefficients of xy right here, 2, minus 4, minus 3, 6. This is a matrix. B is equal to the variables x and y only. And capital C is equal to right hand side constants. 5 minus 9. 5 minus 9. Okay. So this is the representation of given linear equations into matrix form. Okay. We will move to the solution of linear equations. There are special methods to solve a linear equations from which what will launch? First one, matrix inversion method, matrix inversion method. Second one, Cramer's rule. Cramer's rule. And third one, Gauss Jordan method. Gauss Jordan method. Okay. And this is not in our syllabus in this semester. Okay. Not in our syllabus. So I am making here a mark into. Okay. Now, next. First one is, what about matrix inversion method? Let us go in deep. Matrix inversion method. Matrix inversion method. So, as above, let a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2, or b2 given linear equations full stop, then its matrix representation is A into capital X is equal to B, where capital A is equal to A1 A2 A1 B1 A1 B1 A2 B2, and capital X is equal to the matrix XY, and capital B is equal to the numbers C1 C2. Okay, student, as Ax is equal to B, Ax is equal to B, both sides A inverse తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తున్నాను. A inverse of Ax is equal to A inverse of B. So A inverse into A of X is equal to A inverse B. A inverse into A means identity matrix only. Identity matrix into X is equal to A inverse only. A inverse into B. Whenever you are multiplying any matrix with identity matrix, we get the original matrix only. That is, X is equal to A inverse B. X is equal to A inverse B. This is the formula we are utilizing in matrix inversion method. Okay, this is the formula we are utilizing in matrix inversion method. Here you have to observe one thing that whenever you are multiplying these two, A into X, you should get in these right hand and left hand side of the equations only. That is, A1 into X, A1x plus B1 into Y, B1y. Similarly, A2 into X, A2x plus B2 into Y, B2y only. That's why I am writing this one as like this. Okay, now we will do some problems based on matrix inversion method. Some problems based on matrix inversion method. In the examination, he will express the method by which method we have to solve the given equations clearly. Exam lo వాడే క్లియర్ గా అడుగుతాడు ఏ మెథడ్ ద్వారా సాల్వ్ చేయాలి అని. మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఇన్వర్షన్ మెథడా, క్రామర్స్ రూలా, ఏదన్నది వాడు అడుగుతాడు. వాడు ఏది అడిగితే అదే చేయాలి. యూ షుడ్ నాట్ గో ఫర్ ద అదర్ వన్. వేరే దానికి వెళ్ళకూడదు. వాడు మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఇన్వర్షన్ అడిగితే మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఇన్వర్షనే చేయాలి. క్రామర్స్ రూల్ అడిగితే క్రామర్స్ రూలే చేయాలి. గాస్ జోర్డాన్ మెథడ్ మనకి లేదు సిలబస్ లో, కాబట్టి అది చెప్పట్లేదు. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఇన్వర్షన్ మెథడ్ లో ప్రాబ్లం ఎలా ఉంటుందో చూద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం solve the following system of equations. Solve the following system of equations with the help of matrices, or a matrix inversion method. So with the help of matrices means matrix inversion method only. Okay, what are the equations given in the problem? 3x plus 2y plus 3x plus y only, sorry, 3x plus y plus 2z is equal to 3. Similarly, 2x minus 3y minus z is equal to minus 3. X plus 2y plus z is equal to 4. These are the given equations. So solution. Given equations 3x plus y plus 2z is equal to 3. Next one, 2x minus 3y minus z is equal to minus 3. X plus 2y plus z is equal to 4. That is the first one, second one, and the third one. Okay, now given equations can be represented in matrix form as follows. అంటే ఏంటా మెథడ్? ax is equal to b, where capital A means xyz coefficients. X coefficient in first equation 3, y coefficient in first equation 1, z coefficient 2, and in second equation x coefficient 2, y coefficient minus 3, and z coefficient minus z. Okay, similarly in first equation, in third equation x coefficient 1, y
సార్
coefficient 2.
ఇది జెడ్ కి 1 రాయకూడదా సార్?
Z కి 1 రాయాలి. Sorry, I have written as z only. Okay, sorry. So as here z means minus 1, minus z కాబట్టి minus 1. Okay, with next capital X is equal to, what are the variables here? X, y, and z. Okay, and right hand side capital B is equal to, what are the elements in the right hand side? 3, minus 3, and 4. 3 minus 3 and 4. Okay, now by matrix inversion method, capital X is equal to, in the formula చెప్పాను నేను, A inverse into capital B. సో ఏ తెలిస్తే ఇన్వర్స్ కనుక్కోవడం మనకు తెలుసుగా, నేను చెప్పానుగా. where A inverse is equal to, where A inverse is equal to 1 by det A into adjoint A. Same procedure. అలాగే A inverse కనుక్కోవాలన్నమాట. 1 by det A into adjoint A. So consider A. Consider A. A అనే మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఫస్ట్ కన్సిడర్ చేస్తున్నారు. A ఎంత 3 1 2 2 minus 3 minus 1 1 2 1. ఓకే, ఏ అనే మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఏం కనుక్కోవాలి? ఫస్ట్ డిటర్మినెంట్ కనుక్కోవాలి. డిటర్మినెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఏ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు డిటర్మినెంట్ ఆఫ్ 3 1 2 2 minus 3 minus 1 1 2 1 1 2 1. That is nothing but 3 into corresponding row and corresponding column by deletion we get minus 3 minus of minus plus 2. Next minus 1 into, because middle term ki symbol change chestam kada determinant lo maatrame. Whenever we are finding out the cofactors of minus, we need not to change the sign for middle term. Only in case of determinant only we should change the symbol for the middle one. So whereas 1 here, so consider as minus 1 into corresponding row and column by deletion 2 into 1 2 minus of minus 1 plus 1 2 plus 1. Okay, next plus 2 into, okay, corresponding row and column by deletion 2 2s are 4 4 plus 4 minus of minus 3 plus 3 4 plus 3. So 3 into minus 1 minus 1 into 3 minus 1 into 3 3 ne లేకపోతే 3 into minus 1 అనైనా రాస్తా పోను. Plus minus 1 plus 4 plus 3 7 7 2s are 14. Okay, so 3 into 3 minus 3 minus 9 minus 3 plus 14, that is minus 12. 14 minus 12 2 only, that is determinant not equal to 0. Determinant not equal to 0. So A inverse exists. Others as determinant of A not equals to 0 implies A inverse exists. A inverse exists అయిందిగా. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఏం కనుక్కోవాలి? adjoint A కనుక్కోవాలి. adjoint A కనుక్కోవాలంటే కోఫాక్టర్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ adjoint A is equal to adjoint A to find adjoint A. సో కోఫాక్టర్స్ కనుక్కోండి. ఒక్కొక్క ఎలిమెంట్ ని కనుక్కొని కోఫాక్టర్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఎంత వచ్చిందో దాన్ని ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ చేస్తే మనకు వస్తుంది. కాబట్టి కోఫాక్టర్ కనుక్కోండి. మీరు ఎవరికి వాళ్ళు, నేను చేస్తూ ఉంటాను, మీకు వచ్చిన వాళ్ళు మీరు కూడా చేయండి. రఫ్ లో చేయండి, పర్లేదు, తర్వాత అంతా నోట్స్ లో ఒకసారి చేయొచ్చు. కోఫాక్టర్ ఆఫ్ ఫస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్, కోఫాక్టర్ ఆఫ్ 3 1 2, ఫస్ట్ రో అంతా 3 1 2 కదా. cofactor of 3, cofactor of 1, cofactor of 2. Next row, second row, cofactor of totally 9 elements are there, 3 rows 3 columns. What about second row? 2 minus 3 minus 1. 2 minus 3 minus 1. 2 minus 3 minus 1. Okay. And finally, cofactor of last row. Third row, 1 2 1. 1 2 1. This we have. So what about cofactor of minus 3? This is first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column, second row, first column, second row, second column, and second row, third column. Again, third row, first column, third row, second column, and third row, third column. By deleting corresponding row and column, we get minus 3 into 1 minus of minus 1 into 2. So determinant of, what about the determinant? 3 1 minus 3 minus 1 2 1 minus 3 minus 1 2 1 minus 3 minus 1 2 1. Okay, so minus 1 whole square, this is minus 1 whole to the power of 1 plus 1 into, that is minus 1 whole square means plus 1 only, minus 3 plus 2 minus 1 only. Next, minus 1 whole to the power of 1 plus
2
2
minus 1, 1, 1, sir.
2 minus 1 1
1, 1.
1 1 okay. So minus 1 whole cube means minus only, 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1 3, so minus by 2 got minus 3. Next, minus 1 whole to the power of 1 plus 3 into determinant of
2 minus 3, 1, 2.
minus 3 1 2. Okay, minus 1 whole power 4 means plus 1 only, 4 plus 3 7. Next, minus 1 whole to the power of 2 plus 1 into determinant of how much?
1, 2, 2, 1, sir.
1 2 2
2, 1.
1. ఇది ఒక్కసారి ఈ ఎలిమెంట్ ఒక్కసారి నన్ను చెక్ చేసుకునేవండి. 1 2 2 1 ఈ ఎలిమెంట్ కదా, కరస్పాండింగ్ రో అండ్ కరస్పాండింగ్ కాలమ్ డిలీట్ చేస్తే 1 2 2 1. గుడ్, వెరీ గుడ్, కరెక్ట్. 1 2 2 1. ఏమవుతుంది? minus 1 whole cube means minus only, 1 1s are 1, 1 minus 4 minus 3, minus of minus plus 3. Next, minus 1 whole to the power of 2 plus 2 into determinant of
3, 2, 1, 1, sir.
2 1 1. That is nothing but minus 1 whole power 4 means plus 1 only, 3 minus 2 1 only. Next, minus 1 whole to the power of 2 plus 3 into determinant of
3, 1, 1, 2. Sorry, sir. Sorry. Sorry, అది కాదు సార్. సార్ అది కాదు.
చెప్పండి పర్వాలా.
Yes, sir. 3, 1, 1, 2 only.
3 1 1 2 1 2. So minus 1 whole power 5 means minus only, 3 2s are 6, 6 minus 1 5 minus 5. Next, minus 1 whole to the power of 3 plus 1 into determinant of ఎంత determinant
1, 2, minus 3, minus 1, sir.
1 2 minus 3 minus 1. Okay, so minus 1 whole power 4 means plus 1 only, minus 1 plus 6 plus 5, minus 1 whole to the power of 3 plus 2 into determinant of how much? Determinant. Third row, second column.
అవును సార్. 3, 2, minus 2, minus 1.
Minus 2 minus 1.
Minus 2, minus 1, sir.
Minus 1. So minus 1 whole power 5 means minus a minus 3 plus 4 1 1 we can minus 1. Next, this one and 2 determinant of
3, 1, 3, 1, minus 2, minus 3, sir.
minus 3. So minus 1 whole power 6 means plus 1 only, minus 9 plus 2 minus 7. So cofactor matrix of capital A. Entari cofactor matrix, original elements should be replaced by these elements, minus 1 minus 3 7 3 1 minus 5 5 minus 1 minus 7. Okay, next transpose చేస్తే adjoint adjoint A is equal to direct రాసేస్తున్నానండి, minus 1 sorry minus 1 కదా, that is transpose of this matrix రాసేస్తున్నాను డైరెక్ట్ గా. Okay, minus 1 and first row as first column, minus 1 minus 3 7, second row as second column 3 1 minus 5, third row as third column 5 -1, -7. Third row is third column. Okay, this is adjoint here. Next we have to find out the A inverse. A inverse is equal to 1 by det A into adjoint A, that is equal to 1 by det A means how much? Already we got
2, sir.
2 kada? Okay, 2. 2 into adjoint A. 2 into adjoint A means what? -135 -135 -135 at second row. -3 1 -1 -3 1 -1 and third row 7 -5 7 -7 7 -5 -7. Okay, this is what we got adjoint. So 1/2 తో మొత్తాన్ని మల్టిప్లై చేసినా పర్లేదు, ఇలా ఉంచేసినా పర్లేదు, ఇలా ఉంచేయండి, తర్వాత చెబుతాను నేను ఏం చేయాలి. ఓకే, ఎందుకంటే ఇంకొంచెం ఈజీగా చెప్పడం కోసం. Now our target is not to find out A inverse, but we have to find out capital X. Capital X means XYZ values. So capital X is equal to A inverse into B kada. So that is equal to A inverse means 1/2 into -1 into -3 into 5 -3 into 1 into -1 7 -5 -7 into capital B. Capital B means right hand side values. 3 -3 4 3 -3 4, that is 3 -3 4 kada. 3 -3 4. Okay, so what is the order of this matrix? 3/3 matrix. What is the order of this matrix? 3 rows and 1 column. So as the number of columns of first matrix is equal to number of rows of second matrix, the multiplication is possible here. So that is equal to, keep this 1/2 outside only. 1/2 into first row into first column. ఇప్పుడు వచ్చే ఆర్డర్ ఎంత అవుతుంది మనకి? 3 rows 1 column ఉంటుంది మనకు వచ్చే ఆర్డర్. ఓకే, -1 into 3 -1 into 3 plus 3 into -3 plus 5 into 4. నెక్స్ట్ ఫస్ట్ రో ఫస్ట్ కాలం అయిపోయింది. ఫస్ట్ రో సెకండ్ కాలం థర్డ్ కాలం చేయడానికి కాలమ్స్ లేవుగా. సో దెన్ యూ మే గో ఫర్ సెకండ్ రో ఫస్ట్ కాలం -3 into 3 plus 1 into -3 plus -1 into 7. Sorry, for -7 -1 into 4 and next finally third row first column 7 into 3 plus -5 into -3 plus -7 into 4. That is nothing but 1/2 into, simplify చేద్దాం, -3 -9 plus 20. Next -9 -3 -4. Next 21 plus 15 -3 into -5 15 -28. So make it simplify, then you got 1/2 into 20 minus 12 8. Next -3 -12 -16. Next 21 plus 15 36. 36 minus 28 ఎంత? 8 అనుకుంటా, 8. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు 1/2 తో మల్టిప్లై చేయి. అప్పుడు 1/2 తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఎంత అవుతుంది? ఇది 8/2 -16/2 8/2 చేసాం అనుకోండి, ఆన్సర్ ఎంత వస్తుంది? 4 -8 4. This is the final answer. Therefore capital X is equal to XYZ is equal to how much we got? 4 minus 8 4. That is x value 4, y value minus 8 and z value 4 అన్నమాట. అర్థమైందా?
ఎస్ సార్ అర్థమైంది సార్.
టైం
సార్ ఒకసారి పట్టరా స్క్రీన్ షాట్
అదే
తీస్తారు.
అదే ఫోటో తీసుకుంటారు కానీ 1 minute.